So in this video, I want to quickly go over how art works via distance learning. You'll notice that there's something similar to the other specials that you took previous semesters, but there are other things that are a little different. What are you going to learn? We're going to review some things that we learned last year. We're also going to learn some new things as well. We might learn about artists or individual paintings. And lastly, we will apply technology to art using the Sketchpad app. So this is an app that you can access through a website. You can do drawings on there, and then you can save your pictures. So we will do some activities with those this semester. Okay, so what will you need? If you are in K-3, you need a pencil, you need crayons, and you need a drawing pad or a notebook. It doesn't matter if it has lines in it. If you want optional materials, you can get markers and colored pencils, but those are not necessary. If you are in 4th through 8th grade, you will need colored pencils, markers, crayons if you want. It's not necessary as long as you have something to color with, and of course a notebook or a drawing pad. Okay, so how it works. You get one assignment a week, which I post on Monday mornings, usually between 8 or 8:30. And then you are given from Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday to work on your assignment. One of my suggestions is that you take the assignment and maybe do half of it one day, half the other. And then finally, the assignment will be due on Friday at 3 p.m. Anything after 3 p.m. will be considered late. So doing your work. Okay, it is expected that you turn in your work on time every week. Every Friday, you should be turning in an art assignment. Late work will still be accepted, but it will lose points. Part of your grade is, are you following directions? And one of my biggest directions is turn your work in on time. If you don't do your work, missed work will be marked as a 60% after 3 weeks. You can always go back and do it for partial credit. If you missed the assignment, I will send you reminders through Google Classroom to remind you to work on the assignment. All graded work can be redone and resubmitted for a better grade. Okay, so grading. I will input grades into PowerSchool daily. So when I'm grading your work, I'm putting it into PowerSchool right away. So you want to look at PowerSchool for your grades, because one of the things that happens is on Google Classroom, it will not show your correct grade. It doesn't count assignments that are missing. So for an example, here's something from my grade book. If we look at the top, they have an 83%. The person on the bottom also has an 83%, but the person on top has 3 missing assignments. The person on the bottom is missing 8 assignments. What's happening is Google Classroom will not say, unless I put a grade in, it will not count that towards your grade. So if you're not sure what your grade is, check PowerSchool. Okay, so office hours. I am available every day. So if you have a question, if you need help with an assignment, or if you want to show me your finished work, you can come to my office hours. I have the link posted on the Google Classroom stream, and I'm available Wednesdays from 9 to 9:20 and Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, Friday from 1 p.m. to 2 p.m. So what I want to do here is show you guys what I feel is the most effective way to navigate Google Classroom. That way you are not missing any vital information. Suggestion is always to click on the actual Google Classroom. That way you can see what's on the stream. I include information on there that might help you do your assignments. I also include office hours, as well as some instructional videos to upload pictures to Google Classroom. Right, so I'm just going to click on one of the assignments. Right, I would first read what the assignment is. So I included a video. You would click on the video, watch the video, and you want to watch the videos in their entirety. I also included Google Slides. Sometimes there'll be a presentation that can help you out. So for this one, it kind of gives you some basic information of this program that we'll be using eventually. Right? And then when you finish doing your assignment, you want to make sure that you upload a picture. So to do that, let's say I took a picture with my webcam, I would go to File, click on the blue Browse button, and then my picture should normally show up. If not, it would show up in the pictures folder. So I'm just gonna upload a random one. And before you mark is done, you wanna make sure that there's something showing right here. Once you do that, you can turn it in. And my suggestion is always, once you turn something in, maybe go back a day or two later. If there is an issue, I will add a private comment letting you know whether the drawing was not completed, whether you didn't upload a picture, or any other problem. Okay, so a couple tips. Please, 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 if your screen looks like this, has no work attached, do not submit it. I do always suggest going back and checking on your assignment a couple days later. If there is any issue, I will return it and I will send you a comment telling you why. Just in case, it also shows up on your email. So if I add a comment, you're going to get an email from me telling you that I added a comment. So please make sure you're checking emails. Please make sure you're checking comments. And please make sure that you attach a picture to your work or to your assignment. Okay, so your first assignment is going to be to upload a picture to Google Classroom. So I have two posts that you'll find on the Google Classroom's stream. One that shows you how to upload using a school-issued laptop, and another post that shows how to submit using a regular laptop, a phone, or a tablet. What you upload is up to you. It will be due before Friday at 3 p.m. If there are any issues or any questions, feel free to contact me or come to my office hours. So I will talk to you guys next week when we do our second art